Uh, Welcome back to the channel. I am here to see what the problem is with this PS4 pad. Uh, there's some problems with it. Some buttons are not responding as quick as it used to be. I've got everything. So if you need anything PS4 controllers, PS5 controllers, iPhones, technology in general, hit me up. I've already got iPhone 6s here that I'm trying to fix, but I'm gonna see what the problem is on this one. Then yeah, then see if I can actually fix it. All my tools are here. If you're wondering, got all sorts of things that would help. Let's open this. See what the problem is. Got it connected to my phone, so I'm screen record everything I do. Let's see if the controller actually works or not. Yep. Seeing screen recording. I'm on hardware tester. So it's up there. No, this one is my personal one. Stick drift. We're gonna press L2. If it gets to 1, perfect. If it doesn't get to 1, there's something wrong with it. So it gets to 1. Spin around. Yep. It's 1. L2 is 1. L1 is 1. R1 gets to 1. Yeah. R2, triangle, square, X, circle, the options button, let's move on. We do the share button, should work. Do the up arrow, left arrow, right arrow, down arrow. Now we scroll down. Okay. We got this, the R3,